Hola, hola, mis amores. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday dinner. And on top of it, you guys, it is Super Bowl. Can't wait to see Usher perform. Yeah, yeah. That is so corny. Anyways, I am getting ready to get ready. I'm getting ready to go to Sunday dinner at my cousin's house. Today's theme on top of Super Bowl is colors. So every family has to come in representing the color they selected from a hat the last Sunday dinner. So our color is orange. There wasn't many options, but you know, we're going to do what we do. We're going to hopefully come up with something really cute. Well, I'm sure it's cute. We already came up with it. Either way, I'm going to bring you guys along. I'm about to set this face, put a little something on it. Nothing crazy. And then I am gonna start getting ready. And on top of it, I have to start packing. I leave on a trip this week and I have not really started. But that's for another video. Let's get ready. All right, so I decided that I was going to start with my eyebrows. You guys, I am such a procrastinator. I should have gone to get my eyebrows done, but I did not. So I had to go in with the Morphe eyebrow pencil, hoping that I can kind of give my eyebrows a little bit of a shape. And as you can see, it seems like it's working here for the most part. So it worked for that night. I definitely try to keep them cleaned as much as I could. I normally get my eyebrows threaded. So right here, I'm like, okay, does it look like the other side or not? As you all know, pretty much your eyebrows are never going to be twins. If anything, just sisters or close cousins. So I definitely tried my best to make them look as close as possible the same. And this was pretty much the outlook for that. So next, I am going in with my Revolution concealer. Y'all, I've literally gone through like three containers of this concealer within the last, I would say like probably month and a half. This is my go-to concealer. It's pretty much what I wear on an everyday basis. And then I'm now going in with my eye primer. I never really use eye primer like I should. I use a face primer, but never really an eye primer. But because I was trying to make sure that the orange eyeshadow that I was going to use really stuck out, I wanted to make sure that I went in with a good primer. I did use a MAC primer here for my eyelids. So as you see here, I'm trying to blend because I didn't want that white cast of primer on my eyelids and then for it to dry like with creases. So personally, I wasn't a huge fan of this eye primer. I prefer something that's a little bit on a thicker base and that has a little more color to it. It did what it had to do, but it's definitely not my go-to. I used the Before the Party eyeshadow palette by Kira Beauty. I used three colors, Treat Yourself, Margaritas, and Get It Together. Alright, so I decided to cover my entire eyelid with Treat Yourself, which is almost like a sunburst orange. I wanted something that was going to be still natural, but mainly the eyes to pop out. One thing I do love is that now in 2024, eyeshadow is coming back. If y'all know me, I was definitely into eyeshadow. I always had a poppin' eyeshadow going on, but then kind of faded and just went into lipstick. So I wanted to take advantage of this evening and go a little bit heavier on the orange. Next, I decide to go into the crease line with Get It Together, which is a tan color, kind of brownish. I wanted to give my eye a little crease to kind of blend in the orange and it just not look like it was just plopped onto my eyelid. But let's talk about quickly how long I have purchased this eyeshadow. I purchased this eyeshadow, I can't even remember when, but never used it. So I was like, oh, this is definitely the night. I am going to take advantage and utilize these beautiful colors in this palette. And I can honestly say that I did like the outcome at the very end. So every time you see me looking to the side, I am actually watching my novela, watching Tierra de Reyes. It is my telenovela that's always on the background because I've seen it like 500 times, but I still watch it like it's my first time watching it. So now I'm utilizing a thicker concealer to kind of create a liner above my eyes, right on the eyelid, my apologies. And kind of give it like a little bit of a wingy look. I don't even know if that's a word. To give it the wing. I'm not good at doing a wing at all. I freaking love how it looks, but I can never accomplish it. But with this technique, it actually kind of works out. So then I went in with Margaritas, which is a beautiful glittered orange color in the palette. And I just started pressing it down with this eyeshadow brush to kind of create that liner. So I created a glitter liner, wing liner for this look here, utilizing the thick concealer, and then the glitter eyeshadow. So the only thing I don't like too much about this eyeshadow is that it's real flaky. As you can see, I have literally glitter flakes everywhere. So it definitely makes it a little messy. But once you actually complete the look, it does look really, really nice. It's just, like I said, a little too flaky for my liking. But I'm pretty sure there's other ways to probably help that process. Now that the eyeshadow is done, setting spray and blend. I did notice that I do like putting setting spray on my face before I actually blend out my concealer. I feel it just makes it last longer in my opinion. But most importantly, it makes me not come off as shiny throughout the day. And that's definitely one of my biggest issues. So with taking this extra step before blending, I feel personally that it makes a difference. Maybe it doesn't, maybe it does. Who knows? But for me, it's working, and I'm convinced that it's because I put setting spray on my face before I actually blend out. I wanted to add a little bit more of a bronzer look onto my face. So then I went in with a darker shade of my Revolution concealer, and I just blended away. Remember to always blend to the hairlines and to the neck, the ears. We don't like to see rings on photos or videos. So that's pretty much what I am doing here, trying to make it look as clean as possible. So this is pretty much the final look for orange team right here. I don't know if you guys can see my orange pants. But yeah, team orange. Queso. What's your color?
Yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow.
What's your color?
Team brown. Go.
What's your color?
Team purple.
What's your color?
We are blue.
What's your team color?
Team orange.
What color are you?
Team pink.
Pink, pink.
What color are you?
Team white. Oh, damn.
Red, boy.
What color are you?
Team red.
Fucking Team Red. Yeah, Team Red. Stop playing. Be outside.
Él está variando con los chinos.
Oh my God, how do you do this?
No, because the tiny lady. Yeah, but
Damn, I can't even
this
get
is
the
like
jello.
I can't do all that.
Yeah, Chastity. That went all in her mouth. He said he too. Damn. Amy, look at their cups.
Amy had a candy in it.
They all did.
Oh, go. Strong.
Sour?
Strong.
It's strong.
But if you tell my mom that she's gonna have a
Who won? Oh, they won.
Damn! Are you fucking kidding me? Damn! Oh my God!
Why you born the hypest kid, not today. Hold on. Let's record. We here with DJ K Hyde. He's the hypest DJ, not today. Boy, somebody go get that bus. Go get that bus.
No, man, let me get that bogey.
The hypest DJ in the world right now is slow. He's slow.
That boy, he. Mom, let me say.
Yo, he done.
With the hypest DJ in the world, baby. That boy
Tommy, get away. No, Tommy, get him some.
Hasta la próxima. Besos.